Hey everyone, Matt Pisarcik from RazorEmporium.com coming at you today for a product spotlight with the newest brand to grace the shelves of Razor Emporium, Southern Witchcraft. So, Southern Witchcraft is the brainchild of Courtney Brooks and Stephen Joyner. This product made its debut, the product line, in 2017. So I've definitely seen it around for a while in the wet shaving world. Seen it on lots of Shave of the Days and forum posts and chat room posts. And I knew it was something that if it was that popular, we should be carrying it. And so we reached out to them and they were kind enough to extend the ability for us to carry their products at Razor Emporium. Very happy with them. Been selling great. In fact, I think we've ordered several times with these guys. Our customers are liking it, so that's the important part. Now, Courtney and Steven, they wanted to create a brand that had a unique and kind of interesting aspect of shaving notes. And as I was smelling these, I can't deny that these are some of the most unique blends and scents that I've smelled for quite a while in the shaving world. And I think the name of Southern Witchcraft really hits the nail on the head. You know, this one here, for instance, this is Autumn Ash, you know, maple spice smoke, amber cedar. Very, very interesting. It's all from Tucker, Georgia. So, yeah, we're real happy with this brand. Let's go through some of the scents that we're currently carrying. First soap we'll be looking at is Samhain. It is a Gaelic festival marking the end of the harvest season and the beginning of winter, or the darker half of the year. Notes in this blend are bourbon, tobacco, pumpkin, sandalwood, nutmeg, oud, incense, amber, vanilla, hazelnut, charred wood, and musk. Next up is Banana. It's a complex and rich blend of dark and spicy accords that are perfect for autumn. Banana elegantly combines fresh banana with florals, bourbon, and musk to elevate the humble fruit into something mysterious and wicked. Notes are banana, bourbon, tobacco, lily, neroli, patchouli, vanilla, musk, pumpkin, cashmere, and that sometimes is described as a scent of sun-kissed skin. Autumn Ash, the quintessential fall fragrance, dark and resinous. This accord is spicy, dirty, smoky, sweet, and perfectly captures the scent of damp autumn air. Labyrinth, a special request years in the making to request a scent of wet stone. Labyrinth is a bold and powerful scent that invokes the terrifying imagery of being pursued through the dark depths by the monstrous Minotaur. It is a musky and spicy blend that is truly unique in the world of wet shaving. And lastly, Drurantia, a tribute to the Druid celebration of the winter solstice, or Yule. Drurantia is a woodsy and spicy scent perfect for crisp winter days. Scent notes include cedar, oak moss, rosewood, moss, cypress, tobacco, fungus, sandalwood, misutaki, myrrh, amber, orange, and ginger. Well, I hope you have an opportunity to pick up some of the Southern Witchcraft products for your shaved end. Give them a try. I think you'll enjoy them. And we'll have to do a shave with the product real soon so we can talk more about the performance. But thank you so much for joining us today at Razor Emporium for all things vintage shaving. And we'll see you next time, guys. Thank you.